Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I had do the 3 review for the Ajmal perfume. Now I had this very interesting from Nike. It's Nike Gold Edition Man Eau de Toilette 100 ml. Apparently not the perfume or the perfume, but it's Eau de Toilette. So this is the box. Let's see, the box and the front. Okay, then by the side, then behind. No, there's a. It's very small. I don't know whether it can capture it or not. But yeah. Okay, done. Okay, and then on top, just Nike. Below. Okay, don't know whether we can capture or not. Very small. So let's see the perfume. So like this. Okay. First side. Okay. So this is a bottle. Okay. Side. Behind. Nothing. After nothing. Below also nothing. Okay. And then if you, it looks like chrome, but yeah, quite cool, but of course it's plastic. And let's see. That's like how to say this? It's sporty, but something like herbs also for me. But let's see the real description from the website. I'm gonna share you the link below the video or later on also. Okay, let's look into the details. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the top note. Can you see that? Good for remembering paper, not make sound. Okay. Then people, a lot of comment below. They say it's more into like Blue Chanel. So it's like DNA. There's a DNA of Blue Chanel. Okay. Okay. Read some of the comments. See here. Okay. Okay. Then. So you see, Blue de Chanel. So a lot of people say that if you are into Blue de Chanel, if you are fans of Blue de Chanel, so you should get this considered like a cheap version of Blue de Chanel. I never had Blue de Chanel before, so I don't know how good it is. That's it. So yeah. No, sorry. What I mean is, I will use this for like a sports day for me. But very refreshing, so it's nice. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.